Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of CAD JPY, the hottest pair in the Forex market right now, I guess. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD, USD, JPY and many more. So let's get started. So the market has opened and we can see that there is a slight retracement going on the chart of CAD JPY, and we all know it very well that CAD JPY is in strong uptrend for last couple of days, couple of weeks. I have already made a detailed analysis video on Saturday where I have explained each and everything on detail. So if you want to have the proper detailed information on CAD JPY and its correlation with the crude oil and all, then please watch the video that I have uploaded on Saturday. Okay, in this video I do not want to bore you by repeating the same stuff, so I will not be going in the same stuff again. I will just focus on the main points. Okay, so you can see that market is still in uptrend and there is a slight retracement going on. Therefore, do not consider this as a trend reversal, my dear friends. We all know it very well that market never goes up in a straight line like this. Market always go up in a pattern like this. So this is just a retracement. Until and unless we get an inverted V pattern, we cannot consider it as a trend reversal. And as we all know, trend is the most important thing in a market. There is a famous saying that trend is your friend. It means that if a market is an uptrend, you should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And CAD JPY is in strong uptrend, extremely bullish, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities only. And the crude oil is also very much bullish right now due to the ongoing scenario. Okay, and as a result, Canadian dollar is also extremely bullish. Want to know in detail? Watch my previous video. Therefore, I have found two trading opportunities or two safe trading opportunities on the CAD JPY chart. So my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong also. So if you think that I am wrong or my analysis is wrong, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And most importantly, if you are a beginner, new to trading, please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well because I am also a learner like you. So the first trading opportunity is the level of 90.85. Yes, market is retracing right now, so there is a possibility of market testing the level of 90.85. So in case market comes down to the level of 90.85, there is a possibility of market bouncing. Why? Because see, this is a Fibonacci retracement level of 23.6%. So if market comes down to the level of 90.85 and bounces, you can go for buy. This is your first trading opportunity on CAD JPY chart. The second trading opportunity is, you can see that I have made a bullish flag here. In a market condition like this, the bullish flag comes quite handy. So if market breaks the level, okay, if market breaks the line at the top, okay, if market breaks the line at the top, then we will understand that yes, market is going up again. This is a trend continuation and we can consider it as a breakout and we can take an entry here. Again, listen to me carefully. If market breaks the line at the top, this green line, you can go for an entry considering this as a breakout. Right now there is a retracement going on, so wait for the market either to bounce from the Fibonacci level of 90.85 level or market to cross the line at the top so that you can enter. Okay, so these two are the, okay, this one and this one, these two are the two trading opportunities, rather I would say that two safe trading opportunities that I see on the chart of CAD JPY right now. Because see, we need to respect the trend of the market. Right now, if you short the market considering that market is going down again, yes, market may go down, but still we do not have the confirmation yet this is a trend reversal. If you are not an experienced trader, do not short the market. You may be trapped, you may lose your hard-earned money. So please Do not make the mistake. Wait for the market to come down to your level. Do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. So these are the two trading opportunities. Let's wait for it. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.